Hello guys, this is just for Luben TV guys. Today I'm gonna pass you through how I build a BMS cup with no money. I mean, completely free. Guys, and if you're new to my channel, this is what I do. I build bikes like BMS cup, street cup, trikes, cripple bike, dead bike, go-kart, quad, and many kinds of bikes, guys. So if you wanna build bike like this, you wanna hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, guys. Probably I'm gonna draw the bike to know exactly what I'm doing. And I know what you are thinking right now. How on earth will someone build a bike with no money? The answer is yes, if you follow me up.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit.
I'm gonna use this galvanized pipe I found in a junkyard. I'm gonna clean them up and wear them up.
I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
I always sketch my project so I can get balancing when I get the job done.
Picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back.
I'm gonna fill it and smooth it so it's not gonna look like a homemade bike.
You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change.
Then I wash it and put everything clean. So I wanna use the engine I got in my scraping HONDA 670.
That's what it takes.
I want to paint this bike with blue because I love blue, but this project is all about not spending money, so I'm going to use the yellow paint I have in my garage. Come on guys, and take a look at this bike. So if you want to build a bike like this without spending money, you really want to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel because I do crazy things, guys.
You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell. Keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate. Go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take you.
Oh my god, guys, take a look at this bike from scratch to finish without spending a penny, guys. So if you want to build bike like this, you want to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, guys.
Your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.